Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start with the first cluster of vowel U, which is UB. We are going to combine consonants with this cluster to form three-letter words. So let us look at the first consonant. The first consonant we are combining with the cluster UB is C. C says K. So K, UB, cub. So when we learned animals and the young ones, we learned that the young one of a tiger is called a cub. Cub. So that is a cub. The next consonant is T. T says T. So T, tub. So in some homes they have something called a tub, which is like this, where you fill water, you go inside and you take bath. Okay, you immerse yourself inside the tub in the water and then you take a bath. So that is called a tub. Okay, a tub. The next consonant is D. D says D. D, dub. So dub is nothing but you would have, when you watch TV, you would have seen some English movies played in Tamil. Okay, so even though the movie is English, they speak Tamil. Okay, that is called dubbing. That means making of a movie or something which is originally made in some other language and then which is dubbed into another language. Okay, for example, when we were small, we used to have James Bond movies. They are actually English movies, but then for us to understand, people who do not understand English to enjoy the movie, they add in Tamil or Malayalam or Telugu or whichever language to make it enjoyed by the other people. Okay, so that is called a dubbing. The next consonant is H. H says H. H, hub. So hub is nothing but the center of maximum activity. For example, this is like a bus stand where all you can see so many buses parked here. Okay, so this is the place where you find buses to different places. So people come to the bus stand. Some of them will want to take a bus to Tamil Nadu. Somebody will want to take a bus to Bangalore. Somebody will want to take a bus to Cochin. So this place is where all the buses come and they go to different places. So people can come here and they can get into whichever bus they want to. Okay, so that is called a hub. Okay, hub. The next consonant we combine with UB is R. R says R. R, rub. So when we learned hand washing, we learned that you have to rub your hands together to remove all the dirt and organisms and germs. Okay, so you apply soap and then you rub your hands to remove all the dirt and germs. That is called rub. Rub. And the last consonant is S. S says sub. So you would have all seen this. At least boys will know what this is. It's called a submarine. Okay, so it is usually used by countries when they have to go for a war with another country. So submarines, and it is also used by scientists to go underwater and learn about animals and plants underwater. Okay, so this is like a small ship which can go under the water. So people will be inside doing studies and all that. They'll be collecting information. So this is like a small ship. Usually you see ship traveling, sailing on the water, but this is a submarine which can go under the water. Okay, so the short form of a submarine is called a sub. Sub. So those were the UB words. Let us look at them once more. Cub. K-ub, cub. T-ub, tub. D-ub, dub. H-ub, hub. R-ub, rub. And S-ub, sub. Hope you all understood the UB words. Thank you.